Okay, today I'm at 333 Residences. This is 333 Residences genset room. Today I'm going to start this genset under off-load condition. One thing is to test the genset is in good condition and is able to start and stop during TMB power interruption. First of all, before we test run this genset, we're going to check the genset first. Okay, let's just check the genset. First of all, this is the fuel hose. Okay, make sure the fuel hose is in good condition. There's no leakages. Alright, all the joints is tightened. Alright, there we have the engine oil here. Okay, let us check the engine oil. Engine oil is in full condition. Engine oil is clean. Alright. Okay, next we're going to check the genset battery. This is the genset battery. Alright, it's a nickel cap. So currently the electrolyte level is all in maximum. Termination tightened, no corrosion on the cable. Cable is in good condition. Starter okay. Alright, then we have this fan belt, radiator fan belt and radiator fan, no obstruction. Radiator coil looks very clean. This is a Doosan genset. And then we have radiator, and we need to check the radiator water, make sure it's clean. Okay, water is sufficient. Make sure the radiator cap is tightened properly. Alright, this is the genset air filter. Okay, next let us look at the diesel tank. This is the diesel tank. Current level is at 350 liter. And then we have a level indicator alarm. Okay, before we test run the genset, always make sure there's no radiator water leakage, no engine oil leakage and no fuel leakages. Alright, let's take a look at the battery. Current battery reading is 29.2 volt. Okay, we're going to test the genset one time from here and then allow it to stop, and then one more time testing is remotely through the ATS panel. Alright, make sure ACB is on always. Current status is auto mode. Charger all on, is in good condition. Okay, we are going to test it using the test mode. Okay. Okay, genset able to start automatically and stop automatically using the test mode from the genset AMF panel. After start and stop, the genset doesn't show any physical damage and any other problem. So the genset is considered in good condition. Okay, there's no leakages after testing of the genset. Everything is in good condition, battery voltage okay. So we are going to test one more time remotely from the genset ATS panel. Okay, now I'm inside the LV room. So let's approach to the ATS panel. Okay, here we have the ATS panel under owner MSB. This is the ATS panel. And here we have the ATS controller unit. Through this controller unit, I have two terminals here, which is able to call the genset to start remotely from this ATS panel. Okay, this is a 2 cable. This 2 cable, if you use a voltmeter measure it, you will get 24 volt DC system. Okay. So as the genset is running, I will be able to see the genset voltage over here. Okay, this is the main supply voltage reading 242, 242 and 244. Okay, let's get started. When the genset is running, this indicator light will be on. Okay, I'm going to jump the signal to allow the genset to start automatically remotely through here. Currently the genset is under auto mode. Okay, the genset had run. So now from this ATS panel, we can witness that genset supply reaches here. The only thing is different that the ATS doesn't change. It's still on the main supply contact. That means it doesn't operate because I just simulate a TNB power interruption signal. So this is the main supply. This is the genset supply. So later on, the genset will stop automatically due to this jumper wire I already removed. So through this way, I will be able to test the genset is able to start automatically and stop automatically. So that during TNB power interruption, here this ATS panel able to call the genset to start automatically and able to call the genset to stop automatically. This way I can sleep tight and I have no worry that during TNB power interruption, the genset will automatically back up the lift power supply and also the essential power supply, which is this panel. Alright, now we just wait for the genset to stop automatically. As I remove this one, the genset will operate a shutdown timer, which is probably 2 to 3 minutes, around that, depending on the size of the genset, and is adjustable at the AMF panel. Alright, here we have the genset already stopped. So as we exit it, okay, we can see the genset voltage signal is already 0, so only the main supply remain, the main supply reading. Alright. Okay, the testing is over and everything is in good condition. So thanks for watching and okay, say hello. Okay.